London Bridge. Is it a real place?
Yes, Emma. It's a famous landmark in the world.
Wow, a famous landmark. Cool. We're learning about history while we sing.
Learning history while we sing, la la la.
Oh no! The bridge fell down! What do we do? Let's try to fix it with a new idea!
Good thinking. Every problem has a solution.
They look nice, but are they strong enough?
Strong enough for any adventure, my dear? Strong bridges need strong materials,
Like what?
like stone and iron.
Oh, I get it! The clay washed away in the rain! Oh no, all of it? How unfortunate. And the wood didn't last long.
That's why we must choose wisely.
Why is that? It shapes your future. I'll be the builder! Watch me!
Wonderful! You're learning by doing.
It didn't work. Should we stop?
What do you think?
No! Let's try again.
Yeah, one more time.
All right, let's try. That's the spirit. Never give up.
We won't! Never! Stones are strong. Let's use them. Yes, they are perfect.
A wonderful idea, my dears.
Let's sing and act it out together.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Take the key and lock her up, and lock her up, and lock her up. Take the key and lock her up, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down,
My fair
falling
lady.
down.
Do not
London
be
Bridge
afraid,
is
my
falling
dears.
down, my fair
I am
lady.
here to help you.
How will we then build it up?
Come with me.
Build it up, build it up. How we will then build it up, my fair lady.
ideas.
London Bridge is falling
figure it
down,
out.
falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Build it up with silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Build it up with silver and gold, my fair lady.
Gold and silver I have none, I have none, I have none. Gold and silver I have none, my fair lady.
Build it up with needles and pins, needles and pins, needles and pins. Build it up with needles and pins, my fair lady.
Pins and needles bend and break, bend and break, bend and break. Pins and needles bend and break, my fair lady.
Wood and clay will wash away.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with stones so strong, stones so strong, stones so strong. Build it up with stones so strong, my fair lady.
My fair lady. My fair lady.
My fair lady. My fair lady. We can solve problems every day. And learn something new each time.
That is the true magic of learning.
Wow, that's wonderful!
For more funny videos, like, share and subscribe.